Hello everyone. In the previous video, I discussed about the user interface introduction only and about the STKO software. Um, and I also mentioned that STKO interface basically um, consists of two main modules. The first one is preprocessor and the second one is post-processor. I discussed about these and I will in detail cover all these aspects that are given here. However, before going into a detailed discussion, um, in order to uh, install this software STKO and to get benefit from it, first we need to know about the system requirements that are necessary for STKO installation. Because if your system is not capable of installing STKO software, I think uh, this will be your first concern to know about its installation. So, in order to run this software correctly and smoothly without any problem, um, it has following system requirements that are necessary for it. The first thing is the architecture of the processor. So at this current stage, STKO is a 64-bit processor architecture dependent software, and it requires 4 GB memory in the background if you are having a 4 GB RAM. So then it is capable for it, and 4 GB is a very smaller amount. Beside this, in the directory where it is installed or it is present, it needs approximately larger than 500 MB disk space for the installation requirement. And if you have OpenGL3 or higher or GLSL, OpenGL shading language 1.2 or higher software capabilities are in your system, then it's best thing to consider in the OpenSees. So these system requirements are very important in the installation of OpenSea software and to get benefit from it. Other than that, if you need any kind of help in this help menu, it will be available here. So after that, um, if you know about the software further requirements, you can study about this, and it's their logo. And if you want to access the manual, then you can access to the manual here accordingly in your free time. So the system requirement is important, and after system requirement, I'll further discuss the remaining aspects of this software that are necessary to get started with the STKO software. And in the next video, I will discuss how to navigate between these modules and ribbons and these two main modules and all these discussions and everything uh, related to the software interface and its navigation. Thank you so much for watching.